Hi, I'm Rachel from Gentle Frog. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. If you're having issues with your bookkeeping, please follow the link at the end of the video to schedule a one-on-one appointment with me. Thank you. In today's video of custom software training, I'm going to show you how to use a software called ProperSoft. I'm creating this video both for small business owners and for bookkeepers. This is a tool that I use on a semi-regular basis, and I think would be helpful for more people to know what it is and how to use it. As you watch this video, if you think of any questions you might have that I haven't answered, please leave them in the comments. If you think of any topics you'd like to see me cover in the future, please leave it in the comments. ProperSoft is a software that allows you to convert a file type to another file type. So for example, when I look at their website here, it says I have a blank and I want to convert it into a blank. So I have a CSV, an Excel, whatever, and I want to convert it to a QuickBooks. More likely what I have is a PDF file. So I have a PDF file, I want to convert it to a QuickBooks file. Maybe I want QuickBooks Desktop, maybe I want QuickBooks Online, maybe I want a QuickIn file, maybe I want any of these other options. So for this video, I just want to show you how to do this, converting it to a QuickBooks Online file. The QuickBooks Online file and the QuickBooks file should be the same, but we're just going to use QuickBooks Online for the purpose of the video. So let me show you a situation where this makes sense. I'm going to come over to my Bank America account and then Statement and Download. Oftentimes we can get a QuickBooks file, but once in a while there's just situations where you can't. I had somebody earlier this year that had years worth of statements just on paper, right? He couldn't download them anymore for some reason. And so he sent me over the scanned papers and I used ProperSoft to create a file that he could import into his QuickBooks. So in a perfect world, you could just pop into your account, go to download, and say what I want is current transactions and I want a file type. I want QuickBooks, right? QuickBooks doesn't show up here. If I change it and say I want the card holder, I can get a Web Connect for QuickBooks file. Bank America is one really good example. If you have a personal credit card that you're using for business, you won't see the file type of QuickBooks. You'll see the file type of QuickIn. So I want to show you how to create a file that you can upload to your QuickBooks. So I've downloaded this PDF to my desktop. I'm going to open up ProperSoft. I just want you to see which one I'm using. So I'm saying I have a PDF that I need to convert into a QuickBooks Online file. Show options. It thinks here's the options you have. And so bank to QBO. QBO just means the QuickBooks file. It doesn't necessarily mean QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. It just means QuickBooks. So if we go to pricing, here's your pricing options. I have it on my Mac, but it's also a Windows-based product, so you don't need to have a Mac or a Windows. It's whatever you have will work. So this is what I've opened. I've opened the bank to QBO. So I'm going to go back up here, bank to QBO. Now that we have bank to QBO open, I'm going to click Browse in the upper right-hand corner. It's going to take me to my downloads, and I'm going to grab that statement I just grabbed from the bank. I'm going to click Open. This is going to think. You can kind of see up here where it says parsing. You can watch it think. This will work again if you're downloading from the bank or if you have a statement that you have on paper that you're just scanning. So wait for it to think. It shows me a preview of all the charges, so the positives and the negatives. Over to the right, it says that it's a credit card. That's perfect. It's perfect because I'm using a credit card. If I was using a checking account, I'd change it to checking. The currency is USD. The bank ID, I can click Lookup and see if I can search for Bank America. So, Bank of, for some reason it's not showing up here. Then if I go B of A, so I don't think that's it. SB of A. So what I often do when I can't find the bank is I'll just use this 1880 bank. It works like a champ. I'll show you what that means when we go into the QuickBooks. So it just says, okay, that's the bank ID number. Down below, if I wasn't working on 2020 stuff, if I was working on catch up for 2019, I would just toggle this to 2019. It changes all my dates.